In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Gmail phone number. This is an easy yet essential task, whether you're needing to verify your account, set up account recovery, or perhaps link other services. So let's get started. Follow along and I'll guide you through each step. First, open up your internet browser and head on over to Gmail. Log into your Gmail account with your credentials if you aren't already signed in. Once on the main Gmail interface, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find your profile icon. This icon is usually depicted as a circle showing either your profile picture or your initials. Give it a click. A drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Manage Your Google Account. This option leads you to your Google account settings, where you can access and modify various personal details tied to your Google account. Now that you're on the Google account page, your next move is to look over to the left side of the screen. Here you'll notice a sidebar with several different tabs. What you're looking for is the tab named Personal Info. Click on it. This section contains all your basic personal information associated with your Google account, such as your name, email, and of course your phone number. In the personal info section, scroll until you find the contact info area. Here you will see your phone number displayed. It's important to have this number accurately listed and up to date because Google uses it for purposes like account recovery and verification. If the number is incorrect or outdated, take a moment to update it by following the edit instructions provided next to your phone number listing. And that's all there is to it. You've managed to locate your phone number linked to your Gmail account quickly and easily. Knowing how to do this can be quite useful, ensuring that all security and recovery options for your account remain functional. Never underestimate the importance of having accurate contact information linked to your accounts, as it's often used to keep your information secure. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you've got any more questions about managing your Gmail account or anything else Google related, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more handy digital tips. Have a great day and stay tech savvy.